This video from Sharp Help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to convert an XEA303 or XEA406 register from Spanish into English. The process is covered on page 14 of the UK manual, the 303, or page 58 of the North American manual for the XEA406. You need the metal key marked MA, you need to turn it round to the PGM position, then press the hash TMST button here, followed by 88 on the numeric keypad. You then press the multiply button, it'll come up and say Cambio Idioma. You press 0 for English, followed by TLNS. The machine says thank you, prints out a receipt which starts off in Spanish and finishes in English, and will say PGM on the display. So you can now turn the machine back to the reg mode and start selling with the machine in the English language, or you can carry on programming. If you're programming your machine, there's plenty of videos appearing on screen now showing you how to set up and get the best out of your XEA303 or 406, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.